Fast revision notes for class 10th math, heights and distances. Basic steps to solve the sum. Read the sum, draw a neat diagram, label it, write the equation, simplify. Now angle of elevation and angle of depression are shown here. Horizontal, line of sight, object, angle of elevation. Horizontal, line of sight, object, angle of depression. Example 1. The angle of elevation of top of tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 meter. Find the height of the tower. Let h meter be the height of the tower. Here is the tower, 30 meter away from the given point. The given point is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. Angle of elevation 30 degree. In right angle triangle ABC, h by 30 is equal to tangent 30. H by 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. H is equal to 30 by root 3. Rationalize by multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3. H is equal to 30 by 3 root 3 equal to 10 root 3 meters. The angle of elevation of top of building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. The angle of elevation of top of tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. Here is the building, here is the tower. So angle of elevation of top of tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. Angle of elevation of top of building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Now let height of the building is equal to h meter and we take BC is equal to x meter. Now in right angle triangle BCD, h by x is equal to tangent 30, h by x is equal to 1 by root 3. In right angle triangle ABC, 50 by x, 50 over x is equal to tangent 60, 50 by x is equal to root 3. Divide 1 by 2, h by x into x by 50 is equal to 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, or h by 50 is equal to 1 by 3, h is equal to 50 root 3 equal to 16 is to 2 by 3 meters. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite to each other. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of top of poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. Find height of pole, distance of point from poles. Let h be the height of each pole. The angle of elevation of tops here 60 degree, here 30 degree. So let P be the point in between and we take BP is equal to x, therefore PD is equal to 80 minus x. Now in right angle triangle ABP, what is h by x? Tangent 60, h by x is equal to root 3, equation number 1. In right angle triangle PDC, h over 80 minus x, h over 80 minus x is equal to tangent 30, h over 80 minus x is equal to 1 by root 3. Divide 1 by 2, h by x into 80 minus x over h is equal to root 3 into root 3. 80 minus x over x is equal to 3 or 80 minus x is equal to 3x, 80 is equal to 4x, x is equal to 20. The required point is 20 meter away from B and 60 meter away from D. H by x is equal to root 3 from equation number 1. H is equal to h by 20 is equal to root 3, h is equal to 20 root 3 meters. In the figure, what is the length of AB? Now in right angle triangle DBC, angle 2 is 45 given, angle 1 is also 45, therefore BC is equal to DC. So here, because in a triangle if two angles are equal, angle opposite to the angle, the sides opposite to the angle are equal. Let AB is equal to x meter. So in right angle triangle ACD, DC over AC is equal to tangent 30, 45 over x plus 45 is equal to 1 by root 3, x plus 45 is equal to 45 root 3, x is equal to 45 into root 3 minus 1 meters.